Hi friends, welcome back. So in this video, I'll be discussing about whenever you are preparing a resume for your job hunting, if you don't know as a tester what kind of career objectives you should put in your resume title, then this video will be very useful for you. So I'll be discussing about 10 different examples. First, the career objective you can put in this way: to pursue a career in software testing and contribute my skills and knowledge to help the quality software product. This is the kind of career objective you can place in your resume. Or second type of example is to gain a practical experience in software testing and to refine my skills and develop expert in various testing methodologies and tools. That is also a career objective you can place in your resume. And the third example is to work in a challenging and dynamic environment. Dynamic environment in IT industry where I can learn, grow and make a meaningful contribution to your organization. And fourth career objective example is to collaborate with the experienced professional and to enhance my knowledge of software testing and my skills and develop innovating testing solution. And the fifth example of career objective for software tester is to apply my technical skills, analytical abilities to ensure that software products are highest quality, meeting the needs and expectations of end users. And the sixth would be to work with the team of professionals in the software development lifecycle and contribute to the creation of software that is secure, reliable and efficiency. And the seventh career objective you can place in your resume is to leverage my passion for software testing and quality assurance to build a successful career in a software industry. Eighth example is to develop an expertise in automation testing and leverage my skills to improve testing efficiency and effectiveness. This is the eighth career objective you can place if you are interested in automation especially. And ninth one is to gain a deep understanding of software development principles, methodologies, technologies and apply this knowledge to improve the quality of software products. And 10th career objective you can place in your resume is to work in an organization that values diversity, innovation, teamwork and provide a supportive environment for your career growth and development. I have given 10 different examples for career objectives for a software tester. Based on your experience, based on your objectives, you can put some of these examples in your software testing resume.